Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong energy update for December 16 to 31, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection, prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. And if you are also interested in money bowl, so available din to sa aking Shopee. So, let's begin, Pisces. Ano yung update sa inyo ng mga energies for second half ng December? For Pisces, let's see. Okay, you have the Hermit, Major Arcanas. Okay. So, Pisces, yung iba sa inyo, magpo-focus muna kayo sa inyong sarili, no? Maaring iiwas kayo sa maraming tao. Baka ito yung tipong may invitation sa'yo na umattend ng mga gatherings, reunion, parties, pero iiwas ka muna, no? Oo. So, hindi naman para sa lahat, but for some of you, ayaw nyo kasi ng matao, maraming tao, kasi pwedeng some of you madali kayong maka-absorb ng energies around you, so that's why you really have to protect yourself, okay? So the best way to protect yourself is not to be surrounded by people, lalo na kung may mga negative energy sila. So you will find happiness in your solitude, no? Sa pag-iisa mo. Let's see what else. Parang meron ka mga paplanuhin. Kumbaga, gusto mo ng kapayapaan ng isip, gusto mo ng katahimikan. Ayaw mo ng drama, ayaw mo ng gulo. You have the Eight of Swords, yes. Tingnan mo, parang pinapaligiran mo yung sarili mo ng protection. Oo, that's what I'm seeing here. Yung iba, alam mo yung tipong pag in-invite, magdadahilan na lang kayo kasi ayaw nyo talaga. Pwede kasing you are surrounded by toxic people, or may mga laging hindi maganda na sinasabi about you. So ngayon parang mas gusto mong mapag-isa. Oo. Mas gusto mo ngayon mapag-isa. Naghahanap ka ng katahimikan ng isip. And dyan sa paghahanap mo ng katahimikan ng isip, maraming wisdom about it. Marami kang realization. So your challenge is the Fool. Yung iba nahihirapang mag-break free from a situation na nililimitahan kayo. So parang siguro yung iba medyo natatakot na sumubok, or natatakot na maging independent, or gawin nyo yung bagay na gusto nyo talaga pero you feel like hindi nyo kaya dahil may limitations. You have the High Priestess, so this is your energy. Alam nyo, marami kayong mga gustong gawin na you just keep it to yourself. Kumbaga parang lagi lang nasa isip ninyo, ini-imagine nyo lang, but you're not really taking action. That is your challenge because you feel like you are limited. You feel like hindi mo kayang lumabas sa shell mo. So, your challenge is kung paano mo makukumbinsi yung sarili mo na you are powerful enough to be that person that you want to be. Okay? So, your opportunity is the Queen of Swords. Very cold yung energy ng iba sa inyo. Parang mas gusto nyo talaga na to be alone kesa may makasalamuhan na fake. Alam mo yun, mas okay na mag-isa lang, that you are just dealing with yourself, kesa naman marami kang kaibigan or kasalamuha, pero they are not true to you. Okay? See, you have the Moon. yung iba sa inyo, Pisces, marami kayong trust issues sa ibang tao. Okay? So, kaya kumaga hindi kayo madaling magtiwala. Because you can feel it. You can sense yung energy ng isang tao kung totoo ba to o hindi sa'yo. You can sense the BS. So, yun nga, kapag nakaka-sense ka ng ganon, iisip mo, nasa isip mo lang ba yun o talagang totoo yun? Well, totoo yun kasi malakas yung inyong instinct, yung inyong intuition. So, mas lalo mo yung madidevelop yung inyong intuition that is going to help you or guide you sa path na iti-take mo kasi alam mo agad kung ano yung makakabuti for you. So, your blessing is the Four of Pentacles. This is financial stability. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong ma-achieve na certain ipon, no? Yung goals ninyo sa savings ninyo. You have the Two of Swords. Some of you, no, meron kayong opportunity to lumipat ng bahay, but you are undecided. Yung tipong, yung iba sa inyo, nagtitingin-tingin na kayo ng mga bahay, lilipatan, or bibilhin na bahay, properties. But, ayaw nyong gumastos. Oo, yung tipong, gusto nyo yun, pero, pag andyan na, parang ayaw nyo nang bilhin, kasi, ayaw nyo na mabawasan yung pera nyo. Ganon. Which is a blessing sa inyo kasi instead na gagastos kayo, matitipid nyo pa. Okay? So, let's see, Pisces. You have Venus in Leo in the 5th house. Venus is about your love life, no? Your wants, your desires. So, I think, kung sino lang yung mga taong you vibe with o yung mga nakakaintindi sa'yo, na-appreciate mo, na-appreciate ka. Kung sino lang yung ka-vibes mo, yun lang yung mga pakikisamahan mo. Whether romantic man yan, friendship, sa family. You have Mercury in Gemini in the 3rd house. Merong good news na magpapasaya sa'yo. Some of you, Pisces, if you are single, merong rito romantic connection akong nakikita. Pwede tong kakilala ng, parang meron kayong common friends, or merong common sa inyo, like, pinsan ng ng kaibigan mo, yung mga ganon. Oo, pwedeng merong mamuong romantic connection. Pwedeng magsisimula ang isang romantic connection sa inyo bago matapos ang taon. Parang makakahanap kayo ng pwedeng soulmate, ganyan. So, sa naman, finances. Meron kang ipagpapatuloy na pag-aralan. Yung tipong hindi mo nagawa nung mga nakaraan. Sinet aside mo, maybe because you have other priorities. But, this is going to bring you more opportunities to grow kasi babalikan mo yung dapat mong pinag-aaralan nung nakaraan. Yung babalik sa school or kung meron kayong mga projects, mga gustong tapusin, lalo na if you are good in writing, sa communication, sa content creation, na sinet aside nyo na project. So, ngayong December, ipupursue nyo na yan. Tutuloy nyo na. Sa love naman, may honeymoon. Nako. Yung iba, if you are in a relationship right now, maaring you are going to be more intimate with your person. Oo, pwedeng magresulta sa pagkakaroon ng anak. And some of you naman, pwedeng you will have more time with your kids, going out, traveling, vacationing. Maraming options na go-open up for you. Okay? To have fun and enjoy life with your loved ones. The answers you need are coming. So, kung meron ka mang mga hinihintay na sagot, ayan na, may clarity na. Step up and lead, yes. So, mas magkakaroon ka ng opportunities to step into your own power. Pwedeng meron kayong promotion, leadership opportunities ngayong December. And go deeper. Yes, this is about you connecting to your higher self. Mas lalo mong kinikilala yung sarili mo. Especially with the energies ng Hermit and Eight of Swords. Gusto mo pang malaman. Pwedeng may kinalaman to sa spirituality, no? Meron kang inaalam about parang self-reflection, and ina-assess mo yung sarili mo. Ina-assess mo ano yung kailangan mo pang i-improve, ano yung naglilimita sa'yo, what's holding you back. Ganon. So, you have the 7th house. You have Pluto in Virgo. Oh my God. So, yung iba sa inyo, transformational ang relationship na papasukin ninyo or magkakaroon ng major change in your partnerships, marriage, relationships before matapos tong taon. Ngayong second half ng December. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.